The differences between portfolio, program, and project management. Project. A project is a temporary endeavor with a specific goal, scope, and timeline. It is a unique undertaking that has a beginning and an end, and is designed to produce a specific deliverable or outcome. Projects are often carried out by a team of people who work together to achieve the project's objectives within the allocated budget and timeline. Program. A program is a collection of related projects that are managed together to achieve a common goal or objective. Programs are typically larger in scope and more complex than individual projects, and often involve interdependent projects that must be coordinated and managed together to achieve the desired outcome. Programs may also include ongoing operational activities that are necessary to maintain the program's objectives. Portfolio. A portfolio is a collection of programs and projects that are managed together to achieve the strategic goals of an organization. A portfolio is typically managed at a high level and involves the selection, prioritization, and alignment of programs and projects with the overall strategy of the organization. The purpose of a portfolio is to maximize the return on investment for the organization and to ensure that resources are allocated to the most important and high-impact programs and projects. In summary, a project is a temporary endeavor with a specific goal. A program is a collection of related projects managed together to achieve a common goal, and a portfolio is a collection of programs and projects managed together to achieve the strategic goals of an organization. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Please subscribe our channel for more interesting videos related to project management.